Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find solutions on the internet. It's really important if you don't have any mentor and if you don't have any person to ask when you struggle while you're doing your coding. Um, I I'm self-studying and I didn't have one. I mean, any structure. So I'm using internet to find solutions. And one of my friend, I was trying to asking my friends, what is this? What is that? What is this? And it was really beginning of my journey, and he was specialized on the front end, and I'm studying back end. So one day he told me, my friend, I don't understand anything. What you're asking me? Why don't you trying to ask to Chat GPT? And something happened in my brain. I feel like how can I say, enlightened, and I open an account to ChatGPT and try to ask every detail to him or her, what you call her, called it. You can give a name ChatGPT, but ChatGPT is hard to say. All right. Um, then I start to ask my questions to ChatGPT step by step. All you need to all you need to do is create an account and start asking straight away. And I'm using the mobile app of ChatGPT. If you would like to use a voice recognition, it's really helpful if you're asking really long questions. But while I was working on my computer, I'm using this section, and you can use ChatGPT for every detail, guys. But be careful, you need to ask correct questions and you have to explain every detail to ChatGPT if you would like to receive good quality response. Okay, let's start a sample. For example, you struggle to creating a method in C Sharp. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT to create one. Hi ChatGPT, I am creating a new project project with ASP.NET Core, and I would like to create a new method which is going to be a calculation calculation for what to be calculation to multiple of two variable. Yeah, it's enough. Yeah, let's amend those texts. Okay, could you please, let's be polite, give me a sample. Click it. Yeah. All right. Let's see what we have here. So it's start API controller. So it recognize it is an API project. It doesn't matter. Let's keep continue to look at. It's created a action result multiply int variable 1, variable 2, result, multiple numbers, and result. Okay, what is the multiple numbers? There is another method here, as you can see. Int x, int y, return x multiple y. Okay, you can see there is a simple multiple of the numbers method. And if you struggle something like that, you can ask here and you can get the result. It's basic and it's simple. If you couldn't find any answer in ChatGPT, you ask get response. You ask get response and you couldn't find anything. we will jump to use the Chat GPT embed in Bing, and it's using the new version of ChatGPT. But before that, I'm going to show you one more thing here. If you would like to update info here, just continue here. Please do the amendments. Do the amendments. No, not that. This is not an API project. It is a MVC project. Please do the amendment and give me the codes again. Alright, so if I would like to ChatGPT to renew the codes with the new uh, informations, just do your amendments just straight away, okay? Let's wait the response. Yep, as you can see, this is now an MVC project, not an API. Perfect. Alright, as I told you before, if you couldn't find any response on the ChatGPT, I'm using Microsoft Edge to show you the Bing. Just click this section and Bing chat will be appear, and it is using ChatGPT 4, guys, and you can select what kind of information here is. If you want a creative, if you want a precise, you just click and continue. For example, let's ask a question to ChatGPT 4.0. I need an information about, for example, no, I don't need an information. Let's ask a code again. Could, no, I am using ASP.NET Core and I would like to create an action filter to prevent um, errors. Could you give me some sample codes? Let's click yes and see what we get now from the ChatGPT 4.0. Yep, it's coming. As you can see, it's telling you how can you create an action result, how can use them. Yep, every information here, and it's sharing a links where you can find deep information about this article, guys. Perfect. This is 3.5, this is 4.5. I suggest you use both of them, not one of them. Okay, if you couldn't find any information from the chat GPTs, don't give up. Actually, never give up. You can Google it. Let's close that one. For example, um, how to, for example, use middlewares in ASP.NET Core, for example. Yep, there's a lot of information here. I suggest you use the Microsoft Learn always if you would like to um, find informations. Let's click here and you will see the articles and try to understand what is written here step by step. It's going to be hard if you just start to reading documents, but reading documents, this is the key of your own development, guys. All right. After googling, you can use the Stack Overflow. By the way, this is another site which is used by the software developers, and you can create an account, open a topic, ask questions, and you can do the search questions from the search bar. For example, um, what can we ask? For example, how to use routing routing MVC, for example. Yeah, as you can see the answers and which one is popular, which one is less popular. You will able to see all of them. Let's see how to use ASP.NET MVC and AngularJS routing. Uh, ASP.NET MVC routing, how to use routing over matching files. Not I wanted. How can I use routing for getting this product list? How to use routing MVC for the friendly URL. Route images. Okay, so as I understand, we have to ask not just routing something. Okay, so how to use routing to define areas in MVC. Let's ask this one. So what we're going to have? Route to subdomain. Service route instrument MVC with areas intercepts action link to home. Yeah, let's click this one. Issue with routing non-area controllers. It must be an issue. You can have a look what it is. Attribute routing working area. Okay, let's have a look this section. Where is it? Yeah. Okay. So I have an MVC application area, MVC specific area, and controller. Register area. This is something different. Let's have a look. The result. I mean answers. No, this. Yeah, this is not what I want. So I just click cross and close it. So you can use this search bar to find out what you need exactly, but it's really it sometimes it might be really long shot. If you control C and ask the Chat GPT, let's have a look now. Yep, admin controller. Actually, we asked the wrong question, I guess. Let me have a look with an area folder screen name admin controller view. Yep, this is what I would like to do it. And we say admin area registration, map root. Yeah, this is exactly what I would like to do it. Okay, perfect. Now you will see how we can do our routing. Yeah, in my experience, I'm using 95% Chat GPTs and 95% I'm using the Stack Overflow and the Google. All right. I guess you understand what I'm trying to tell you. You understand how to find the solutions on the internet, and I think this is going to be enough for your future lessons. It's already been 14 minutes. Yeah, it's going to be enough. I'm going to finish this lesson here, but before that, please subscribe my channel, crush the like button, and if you have some questions, don't forget to drop comment below the video. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye bye.